finalist, or sorry, our second grand finalist is none other than MRNT. Our second grand finalist is... Sorry, our third... Sorry po, wala pang tulog. Our third grand finalist is none other than the Dancing Diva Cathy.
Yeah.
Our next grand finalist, no other than from Buraida, LJ. Ang pangilan na? Fourth? Fifth? Fourth. Pang fifth. Our fifth grand finalist is... Pinatayo niya lang naman ako, Joyce.
Beautiful.
Our sixth grand finalist is Finger.
Girit ko na!
Pangilan na, baka nawawala na ako. Our seventh grand finalist. Ito na-touch siya sa mga sinabi namin. No other than Nadia.
Bigyan, kagandahan lalaki ka dyan!
Pangilan na, pangilan na.
Basta walang pasagan ng drip.
Ilan na lang hindi ko nasasabi?
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Apat.
Apat pa ba? One. 11. So apat pa hindi ko sinasabi. Okay. Our next grand finalist. Sino nagsabi nun?
Ito!
Vimar! Next grand finalist, G63.
Dalawa pa.
Ilan pa? Dalawa pa. Dalawa pa. Our next grand finalist, no other than Sawyer.
Congratulations.
Guys, to all those will not be called, thank you very much. You all did great tonight. Our last, but definitely not the least, grand finalist, no other than M2J! Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our 11 grand finalists. Congratulations. We will see you at the grand finals on the 20th of October, 2 weeks from now. 2 weeks from now, that's a Thursday. We will see you in SPIS for the grand finals. At this point, hey, listen guys, all the grand finalists, at this point, I would like to declare that the text and SIM card voting for the grand finalists, which by the way will go back to 0, the text and SIM card voting for the grand finalists starts now. Congratulations, thank you very much. Good evening, ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 11 grand finalists for the Central Region Pinoy Got Talent. A round of applause once again.
Congratulations. Okay, everyone.
So this has been JP Aleta.
And Andy Pinikubo.
And you are your host for tonight. Good evening and God bless everyone. Congratulations
Bye-bye.
to the top 10.